We are back again on another video of grocery shopping for my brother's school lunch. Yes. And I will not be posting the total for this. So if you want to know, you're gonna have to check out the full video on my YouTube channel. That's right. But if you are watching it right now, let's get into it. I'm not trying to waste your time. I'm not trying to waste mine either, but yeah. Anyways, first up, we start out with some white potatoes, sweet onions, lime, lemon, green beans. Oh, I did not know these were called French beans. Interesting. Anyways, moving on. We have, why is it so blurry? Oh, there we go. Mushrooms, baby Bella, and blackberries, some blueberries, strawberry, salad, habanero pepper. Yes, the spicier the better. These hot Cheetos are kind of for me. Those are for me, okay? And you like hot Cheetos, but I'm hiding that bag. I know he's not gonna watch this full video, so that's the only snack I eat. That's it. And mozzarella cheese, some Captain Crunch. That's his favorite. And we always get lactate, some Velveeta cheese. Also the Laughing Cow. These are so good. Original, of course. And we have some hot dog bread. Bro, I went to the store. I went to the grocery store to get hot dog bread, and I'm like, there's no hot dog bread here. Like, why is there no hot dog bread? But then I realized today was Labor Day, and everybody do grilling, and when people do grilling, they usually have hot dogs. So there was literally no hot dogs, like hot dog bread. This was like the last one that I saw. I was like, no, I'm just gonna take it, I don't care. Like, this was the only one available. And then with some brioche bread, just a sandwich bread, and I have some grapes. Oh, I already showed y'all this one. Yeah, grapes and some Capri Sun, as always. Oh, this side is done. Let's go and check out the other side. Whoa. Yes, there's another side. What? And here for the other side, this is what we have. Okay, some cheese heads. I have no words. Yeah, I have no words. But these are what we got. These are sharp cheddar and beef sticks. These are snacks. Apparently he likes this. I don't. No words. Anyways, and some Yoplait with the animal smoothies. And we have some Go-Gurt, pineapple, mango. These are so good. I was like, oh my gosh, this is gonna fit in his lunch kit. But I tried it, and guess what? It fit. I was like, yes. I was so excited it actually fit, because child, no, I would have probably drank it myself, but we're not gonna talk about it. And green onions with some tortilla, just the little ones for some tacos. And I got the egg roll wrapper. Yes, I'm gonna make egg rolls as well. You will be seeing it in one of the videos. And of course we got the sandwich kit. There's some honey ham and smoked turkey. Of course, eggs as well. I have some shrimp, chicken, more chicken, some bacon. Yes, I eat pork. Anyways, more pork, and then some beef, sweet peppers, and yes, I bought my garlic like this because ain't nobody got time to be peeling garlic in the morning every day. The fuck. Some brown and serve original sausage links. Yeah, honestly, I have no idea why I bought these. I saw it was like 2 for $3, so I grabbed it. I'm gonna have to make him eat this in the morning for breakfast. Even though he don't like breakfast like that. But yeah, it was 2 for $3, so I grabbed it. And then I have some sausage links. That's for the hot dog. Yeah. Most of these things I freeze them. I don't just leave them out like in the fridge like that, because I showed the green onions and that. I don't just leave them in the fridge like that, because why? Like, if you're not using something, keep it in the freezer, and trust me, it's gonna last very long. Like the fuck. Anyways, that's all I gotta show. But honorable mentions though, these are not technically all. I'm just gonna show you like the last things of what I got. This is not like grocery things though. They just stuff that I wanted to get. This Jeff. This is the only peanut butter I get. These are so good. And I just got some sandwich bags, snacks. Oh my god, why is this so blurry? Snack bags, sandwich bags, trash bag. Ignore it. And some soap. Of course, this flows. I got it. Flows. Yeah. And these little containers and some darn soap. I just show them because they're kind of included in the price as well. So I didn't want to leave it out because that would kind of. I kind of don't want to show the price. I know I should be very transparent, but if my mom's here, she's gonna be like, not again. Like, you're gonna make my son gain so much weight. Like, you're making your brother eat so much food. I'm like, who complains about eating good food? Huh? Like, I know you guys seeing this, you're probably thinking like, oh, this is all junk and stuff. Like, again, most of it is junk technically, but let's be for real. I'm actually cooking most of these, okay? I'm making them look healthy. You're gonna see the video of the food that I make because I'll be posting them on this YouTube channel. So stick around and find out. I know you're all waiting for the price, so let me pause this real quick and bring the receipt. Do I even want to show the receipt? Yes, I'll bring the receipt because I feel like that's way more transparent than me just saying it, because I'll be like, capping. Honestly, I was way too embarrassed to show this receipt because every time I get the receipt, I just crinkle it up and I try to throw it away. But this was the price. That's the total price over there. You guys want to see how long this is? Of course, I'm not gonna unblur it. No, I'm gonna leave it like that. I'm just showing you how long it is. I'm dying inside my bank account. Anyways, but these are for the entire month. Yes, these are gonna last the entire month. Trust me. Not just the not the fruits and other stuff. These are not gonna last the entire month, but the rest of the things, they're gonna last. Yes, including the meat, because I keep my meats in the freezer when I'm not using them. Okay, you keep it in the freezer and it's gonna last very long. Thank you. But thanks for coming. Thanks for watching this video. The total of this was $258.10. Yes, and that includes those things back there. The things that I show, the cleaning products and whatever. But yeah, this is what $258 gets you at Food Lion. Anyways, that's all I'm gonna show you guys. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to see me cook all of these things, to see how I pack them up for my brother every day for school, Monday to Friday. Okay, all right. And yes, and if I cook something, I always pull up the recipe. If I didn't cook it myself, of course I'm gonna say I didn't cook it, because anyways. Bye.